Okay, the carport project continued. Now this carport is going to have 6 to 7 posts. Each posts are approximately 6 inches square or 100 centimeters each. They will have a metal shoe which will be embedded into concrete. Now in this project we're going to do it in a way that is first done with a pad. We're going to level out the pad with a slight slope towards the driveway, which will give it a little bit of drainage. And then we're going to let it sit and compact. We're going to vibrate it and tamp it down with our equipment weight and also a personal plate vibrator, which compacts the soil down to about 90%, optimally 95%. And we're going to let it sit probably through the season, through the winter. And then in the spring, probably start the construction. We're going to drill the holes with either a rented drill, or we can do it by hand with a metal stick and a hole, post hole digger. So this is the way we're going to do it. This is an option. You can do it your way, or you can do it our way, but either way you'll have a completed project. The end result will be the same. So there are many avenues or methods or paths you can take to make a project, and logistics are part of this project. We have a trailer coming. It's called a mobile home, and due to logistics time-wise, we have it scheduled in the next several days. So due to logistics, we are not able to put the concrete shoes in first for the carport. It would be in the way of the trailer delivery. We also had to remove part of the fencing at the front gate area, which is now you can see has no gate or area. And so that's part of our logistics. Logistics is a part of a project that should always be pre-planned, and having a general contractor is very important, because logistics are part of that education that has been learned over many projects and years. And here we have another load of 2 to 3 inch limestone, I think they call it here regionally. So I don't know how many yards that is, but we're going to take a guess that it's 30,000 pounds or 5 to 6 tons. And we're using the weight of this truck to pre-press the rocks into the soil, and so the weight of the truck itself is marginal. I don't know if it's a 10,000 pound truck, 5 tons. So with the 6 to 7 tons, we have 20,000 pounds or 10 tons on top of this rock. So we have quite a lot of weight. And here we begin the next load. I think this is the final load. The topping on this gravel is going to be a smaller rock, and it'll embed itself in between the larger gravel. So to be continued.